In this video, we head over to Scottsdale for their annual Canal Convergence. The Scottsdale Canal Convergence is an annual event that offers free educational activities and interactive events along the Scottsdale Waterfront. The events include public art installations suspended over, in, and through the waterfront. These art pieces are created by international and local artists. Visitors to the Canal Convergence will experience public art workshops, outdoor dance performances, community bike rides, a series of artist talks, poetry readings, and live music. There will also be various local food options as well as a beer and wine garden. Salt River Project was there with a booth and some really neat sidewalk art. This year's art exhibits were the Flotillas, 14 polished aluminum lotus sculptures that float on the surface of the water. Each flotillas is equipped with LEDs and a flame FX system capable of shooting a controlled flame up to 30 feet in the air. When the flames are not shooting into the air, the LED lights can be controlled by an interactive console. Floweret, a 15-foot tall inflatable interactive light sculpture designed to interpret the blossoming of a flower. Iceberg, a series of 14 illuminated arches that are triggered to create sound and light when people pass through. Arranged as a tunnel, the arches beckon visitors to enter, listen to, and play this giant organ. Infinity Crystal, an infinity mirror sculpture that uses form, light, and mirrors to create the illusion of infinity. Light Flutter, a kaleidoscope of 30 mechanical butterflies with wingspans ranging from 20 to 35 inches. The Loop, a cross between a music box, a zoetrope, and a railway handcar. When visitors work together, the cylinder starts spinning and lights up a series of still images inspired by the 13 different fairy tales. Re-Cyclone is a 20-foot tall, 10-foot diameter rotating sculpture made from 5,000 upcycled plastic water bottles arranged in the shape of a tornado. And a sound sculpture, well, we'll just let Ryan Edwards of Massery Studios describe it.
Well, it's an art project. It's a public art project called Sound Sculpture, and it is a location-aware musical instrument. So as people move and play with these cubes, they're actually creating the melodies that you're hearing. So the axis in front of me here, the y-axis is pitch, and the axis from left to right in front of us is rhythm. So it's a musical loop that plays from my left, sweeping across the space in front of us, and then loops again. Okay. So if you pan out, you'll see the cubes hanging across the space, heading away from us, and then we'll start again from that side. Okay. And my name is Ryan, and I'm from Massery Studios in Boston, Massachusetts. Okay.
If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment. If you want to see more of our adventures, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when we release the next video. Until next time.